you can fix your
your
wireless
Facebook
mouse
email
not
address.
working on your
Now
laptop.
you can
Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll want to do is check if your wireless mouse is working properly. To do that, just make sure that you take out the battery of it and just put it back in again and try to use it. There might be an issue on the hardware of your mouse, so if that's the issue, you'll need to buy a new one or get it fixed. So if that's not the problem, what we'll need to do is open up our control panel. Just search for control panel and open it up. After you do that, you will see hardware and sound right here. Tap on hardware and sound and you'll go to devices and printers. Now right there, you will need to go to device manager. Tap on device manager and this page will open up. Now here you will see mouse and other pointing devices. Now here you need to locate your wireless mouse. Now let's say this is the wireless mouse. Just double click on it and its properties will open up. Now right here you will see its general properties. Go to its driver, and when you're on its driver, you might want to update the driver if there is an update available. If not, you can just uninstall this device and you can reinstall it using your mouse. So yeah, that is how you do it. After doing that, your problem will get fixed if it is not an hardware issue. So I hope you guys understood how you can fix your wireless mouse not working on your laptop. And yeah, that is basically it for the video too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.